Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. And here in this session, we are going to cover some other types of research, which is other than the discussed we have already, like conceptual versus empirical, or fundamental versus applied, or quantitative versus qualitative, or descriptive versus analytical. Some other types of research are here, which is generally based on the purpose of research, on the time frame over which the research conducted, on the environment, in that particular environment or atmosphere the research is conducted. On the basis of these points, we can further divide it into some types. The one is one time research. So basically we can also call it as a ad hoc research or one time research, which is only for the purpose of one time single time research, and thereafter we are not going to carry forward it. On the other hand, we are having longitudinal research. So basically in longitudinal research, research is carried out over several period of time, over several period of time, right? So it is not a one time research, but research results based on several periods of time, and on the basis of that we can conclude something. The next one is field setting research. So field setting research, or we can call it as a laboratory research, or we can also call it as a simulation research. So basically the environment in which such kind of research is conducted will be classified in the types of like field setting or laboratory research or simulation research, right? So these method in-depth approaches to reach the basic causal relations. And if we talk about historical research, then the research which is basically use some old documents, some remainings, right? Some remainings, or we can say that they use some old studies, they utilize some historical resources. Such kind of research is called as historical research, right? So in historical research, the complete focus on the resources which is related to historical, some remaining all remainings or all the documents, right? And then we are having decision oriented research. Basically the purpose of this kind of research is the need of decision maker. When the researcher is basically want to deduct something, when the researcher wants to decide any particular result or any particular decision. So if researcher wants to decide something on the basis of some important observations, then this decision oriented research is going to be work. Basically this is always in the need of decision makers, right, who makes policies, or who makes different decisions which impact larger humanities, right, or any kind of community. Then in that particular kind of field, the decision oriented research may be used. So basically in other types we can classify it as a one time, that is ad hoc. Longitudinal, the research conducted over the several period of time. Field setting research, the environment or atmosphere in which the research is conducted. Historical research based on some old documents, some historical resources. And decision oriented research which decides something before important for decision makers, right? So I hope the types of research that we have discussed yet, the complete playlist link is mentioned in the description section, guys. Do watch it. And if you are having any doubt, queries, confusion, suggestions, please feel free to put it in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.